Oh man, so Diddy team was trying to do all they could, but bail was still denied. Even after promising no more freak-offs and putting up $1 million for bond, they still denied a bail, okay? So NBC Today Press reported bail is denied to Sean Combs by Southern District of New York judge citing conviction today on transportation for prostitution charges. So judge says, I read the party submissions and others. Jury convicted the defendant on counts 3 and 5 following the reasons bail is denied. Even if the defendant was solely required to show that he is not a danger to the community, he could not meet that burden. Prior to trial, the court denied bail and sees no reason to reverse that now. The defense conceded the defendant's violence. So to break that down for you, Cassie's lawyer wrote this letter right here, saying, we write as counsel for Cassandra Ventura to respectfully request that the court deny Mr. Combs to be released pending his sentencing on his 2 conviction. Pursuant to bail reform, detention is a mandatory post-conviction on these charges, and Ms. Ventura believes that Mr. Combs is likely to pose a danger to the victims who testified in this case, including herself, as well as to the community. So because he beat Cassie up, another deciding factor, Diddy beat Jane Doe after the search, after everything in 2024, he beat Daphne Joy. So because he was abusive, violent to 2 witnesses, 2 people that testified, he ain't getting out on bail. The judge says there was violence after the searches in this case. As to Jane, there was June 2024, after the searches of Combs' residence. So they saying you're a violent man, we can't just let you out. You may be mad because of what happened. You may do anything, and that's why they're not letting him out, dog. Another witness named Deontay Nash also put in one of these letters saying they were in fear for their life, all right? So they didn't want to let him out on bail because of that threat. Now, despite that news, Brian Steele is being celebrated for winning 2 RICO cases in under a year because he had the Young Thug one and also this one right here. But now he beat the Diddy one. They beat the Diddy RICO, but Thug played out though, you know. But at least he didn't get life in prison. Another YSL lawyer, Doug Weinstein, says jury got it right. Diddy government did not prove RICO beyond a reasonable doubt. Now the family has been celebrating. They was out turned up. This is King Combs right here out having a ball. Listen to his music, but this is before the news of what they saying? Pop's coming home, God bless. He's not coming home though. They doing push-ups and shit. Damn. Well, you know, he's not going to jail for life, so it's still a W. It's still a W. He's not going to jail for life though, so we'll see what he's sentenced to. Hopefully he get time served for them. We're gonna see though. Hey though, that's just an update on the situation. Diddy will not be released on bail. They will be waiting for his sentencing, and we'll see from that point. So y'all let me know what you gotta say in the comment section below. I'm going to get up out of here though. This is another update with Stace. Yo.